Here's a Hybrid Tech cart. It is simply a soundbar with a wide-angle camera attached. Think of it as simply improving the audio and video quality of any of your recordings via Zoom or for flipped instruction. It's pretty simple for plug and play. You just plug in the power to the wall, make sure the power strip is turned on, make sure the soundbar is turned on. It should be left on, and it should be under USB designation. Then you plug in the USB cable to your computer that should be on the cart. And then you can also plug in the VGA cable that's connected to your classroom to your laptop with an adapter. If you don't have an adapter, you can CIT. So plugging in to the projector is a good thing that you may want to do if you have several remote students. That way you can open Zoom up and have your remote students projected on the wall, and you can turn the cart around so that they can see the rest of the class. You could also just turn and move the camera and focus in on certain students. The best sound quality is when anyone is in front of the soundbar. So you may want to move the cart around depending on the location of the students or the location of where you are in the classroom to pick up the best sound quality. You're going to open up Zoom to begin your recording, and you're going to go down to the icons below, select the video icon, and make sure it's set for USB 2.0 camera. Go to the mute microphone icon, make sure that it's set for AMX Ascendo Vibe and USB audio codec. So those are the only settings and only plugins you need for this setup. A couple of tips to keep in mind is that anytime you are projecting and also writing on the board, it is a little difficult for your remote students to see. So you may want to just click the AV mute, and that will not turn off your projector, but just turn off the screen sharing so that your students will you'll still be getting a video of your whiteboard for any kind of instruction that you want to write, or for you, they'll still be able to see you. They just won't have the blurry projection in the background. So that's a good option. Also, if you want to write on the whiteboard or write over a document, write over a slide, a good way to present that would just be through screen sharing and then write on your actual device. So that would be the best way for your remote students to see that or see it in the recording.